Hey there, Roblox fans! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to join the Forsaken Discord server in just a couple of minutes. First, look at the left side of your Discord app. You'll see all your current servers lined up there. At the very bottom of that list, there's a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will pop up, and you'll want to scroll down until you see the Join a Server option. Click on that, and Discord will ask you for an invite link or code. In the text field, carefully type RUT3C3RN, and make sure you get the capitalization exactly right. Double check that before hitting the Join Server button. Now you should be in the Forsaken server, but we're not quite finished yet. You'll notice you probably can't see all the channels right away. That's because new members need to verify they're real Roblox players. To complete this verification step, scroll through the visible channels until you find one called Verify. It should be near the top of your channel list. Click on that channel and you'll see a link from Bloxlink inside. Go ahead and click that link, which will take you to the Bloxlink website. Once you're there, just click the big Sign In button. A new window will pop up asking if you want to authorize the connection between Discord and your Roblox account. Click Authorize, and within a few seconds, you'll be fully verified. And that's it. You'll now have access to all the channels in the Forsaken server, including game announcements, trading areas, and community chat spaces. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.